If you are looking for a working Hostinger coupon code, click the link in my description right now because that is the easiest way to get the best Hostinger deal available today. Do not waste time testing random Hostinger discount code pages online because a lot of them are outdated, fake, or simply do not work at checkout. My link takes you straight to the real offer and applies the Hostinger hosting discount automatically, so you do not need to copy or type anything. Here's how to get Hostinger coupon code savings the right way. First, click my link in the description. Then, choose your hosting plan and continue to checkout. This is the part many people miss. The best Hostinger promo code style savings usually show up in the cart, not just on the first pricing page. So if you only look at the homepage prices and leave, you may miss the full discount. That is how to get Hostinger discount code savings without overpaying. For most people, the best value is usually the premium plan with the 48-month term, because that is where the price gets the lowest. If you want the best Hostinger coupon and the biggest long-term savings, that is normally the smartest option. It is a simple way to lock in the lowest price instead of paying more later for the exact same hosting. Now, why do so many people choose Hostinger? It is beginner-friendly, fast, and easy to use. You can launch a blog, business site, portfolio, or online store without making things complicated. You get one-click WordPress setup, an AI website builder, free SSL, backups, a free domain on eligible plans, and a clean dashboard that is easy to understand even if you are just starting out. And the nice part is that there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is very little risk in trying it. So if you want the best Hostinger coupon code 2026 offer, the best Hostinger discount code savings, and a real Hostinger deal that actually works, use my link in the description right now. That is how to get Hostinger coupon code access the easy way, avoid expired offers, and get your website started with the maximum discount today.